Welcome. Let us take one example. 3x plus y is equal to 5. This is one equation, and I would like to take one more, that is x plus y is equal to 3. I wanted to draw the graph for the two equations. Before drawing the graph, we have to find the points. Suppose I am taking x is equal to 0, I will substitute in it 3 into 0 plus y is equal to 5. 3 into 0 is 0, so just leave it, we get y is equal to 5. Then the point will become, the x coordinate is first 0 comma, then after y coordinate 5. So 0 comma is the point which lie on this line, and we have to take one more point. Suppose I would like to take y is equal to 1, or we can take 2. So 3x plus, in the place of y write 2, 3x plus 2 is equal to 5. So 3x is equal to 5 plus 2 comes to this side minus 2, it will be 3. x3 is multiplying with x, that is why when we send this to the other side, then we get 1. So x is equal to 1. Now the point will become, x coordinate is first, so 1 comma 2. After getting these 2 points, we have to draw a box like this and write x, y. First one is 0 comma 5, second one is 1 comma 2. To draw a line, we require a minimum of 2 points, that is enough. And I would like to draw the graph. This is y coordinate, sorry, y axis, and this is x axis, and this is x dash, y and y dash. Here we will write the points 0, this is the positive side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the other side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, and this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like this. And after that we have to write the scale at the top corner for x axis. Actually this distance is 1 centimeter, so on x axis 1 centimeter is equal to, I have chosen only one difference between the consecutive points, so it will be 1 unit. And on y axis also we have to write the same, this distance is 1 centimeter, so the difference is also 1 centimeter, so 1 unit. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, this is the scale. After writing this scale, we have to denote the points 0 comma 5. So here you have to take 5 also. So on x axis we have to take 0, on x axis we have to stand at 0, yes. From this 0 we have to move upward direction or the downward direction. So in the upward direction, where you get 5, there we have to stop. We have to look at the y axis and we have to stop at 5. So from 0 I am moving in the upward direction, so I have got 5 here itself. That is why I have to choose the point, just make it darken, and this point will be 0 comma 5. Next take the another point, that is 1 comma 2. On x axis stand at 1 here, and from here we have to move in the positive direction, and we have to look at the y axis. So while going from 1, I have looked at the y axis, here I got 2, that means from here I have seen 2, that is why this point will be 1 comma 2. After getting these two, join and produce with the scale, and this line will be 3x plus y is equal to 5. And after getting this, we have to find the points for the another line, that is x plus y is equal to 3. So here also we have to find the points. First we should assume x is equal to 0. This is very easiest thing, that is why only I am assuming 0. Suppose if you are not interested to take 0, then you can take 1 or 2 or minus 1, minus 2, like that. So x is equal to 0, 0 plus y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. The point will be x first 0 comma 3, and next I would like to take y is equal to 0 then. Now x plus, in the place of y write 0, x plus 0 is 3, then x is equal to 3. The point will be x first, then after y, 3 comma 0, and we have to draw a box here x, y, this is 0 comma 3, this is 3 comma 0, and we have to denote the points there, 0 comma 3, on x axis we have to stand at 0, and from here we have to move in the upward direction or the downward direction. So, from here we have to move in the positive direction to get 3. So, this point will be 0 comma 3. Just darken it and take another one, that is 3 comma 0. On x axis stand at 3, and you have to look at y axis, this axis. So, if I stand here, then 0 is visible to me, that is why this point is 3 comma 0. Join these two and produce, and this equation will be x plus y is equal to 3. Here what happened? The two lines are intersecting. That is why we can say that these two lines are intersecting lines. These two lines are intersecting. When did we get this? These two lines are intersecting when I have got, after drawing the two lines, then only I got that yes, these two lines are intersecting. But instead of drawing the graph, we have to say the two lines are either intersecting or parallel or coinciding, that we will be learning in this class. The general form of the linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The general form of the linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here the degree of this equation is 1. So, that is why this is called linear equation, and we have the variables x and y, that is why this is called a linear equation in two variables. This is the general form, and here we are taking the two lines, that is why here we have to write a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. You will get one doubt, that is a1, b1, c1 also variables na, then how can you say here we have only two variables? Actually, in mathematics in 6th and 7th classes, there we will suppose English alphabet from A to Z are the variables, but after 8th class we are supposing only x, y, z are variables, the remaining A, B, C, D, E, F, these alphabet are called numerals or constants. That is why here A1, B1, C1 are called constants. And I have to take one more line, that is we have to show the difference between the two lines. That is why I am supposing A1, B1, C1. For the next line, I would like to take A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. And here also A2 comma B2 comma C2 are constants. Observe one thing. These two lines are same like this only. If you convert this equation as 3x plus y, when the phi comes to this side, it will become minus pi is equal to 0. Here it is x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Just compare these two, we get the same. So, here we get one condition, these two are the lines, and we have to know without drawing the graph either these two lines are parallel or intersecting or coincident lines. So, to check that, we will find the ratio a1 by a, ratio of the x coefficients a1 by a2, we will find this value, and the ratio between the y coefficients, that is b1 by b2, ratio in the sense by division b1 by b2, and the next constants c1 by c2. For every two lines we have to find these values must, a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. So, we will observe this equation a1. So, in the place of a1 we have 3 by a2 x coefficient is 1. So, 3 by 1, b1 that is y coefficient is 1, that means plus 1. So, 1, or we can write plus 1, no problem, and the y coefficient here we can fill. So, this is 1, and c1 is minus 5 by c2 is minus 3. Simplify, 3 by 1 is 3, 1 by 1 is 1, this both minus get cancelled, we get 5 by 3. Here what happened, a1 by a2 value is different, b1 by b2 value is different, c1 by c2 value is also different. So, we can write a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, that is not equal to c1 by c2. When a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the two lines are called intersecting lines. We can write a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then the two lines are intersecting lines. Just observe the figure. So, here no need to find the ratio of C1 and C2, because it may be equal to A1 by A2 or B1 by B2, no problem. But when the ratio A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 both are equal, then only we have to find the ratio of C1 and C2. So, we can apply this to that graph. Yes, A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, that is why only here we got the two lines are intersecting. So, if two lines are intersecting, we get the intersecting point, and we will find one more condition for the another example. Let us take x plus y is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 6. So, we will convert this equation as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So, always you have to take 0 on the right side of the equal to. So, this one x plus y minus x is equal to 0. So, here it is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and this is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, or I would like to take 2x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. Here, to draw the graph of this equation, I have to take the points. I would like to take x is equal to 1. You can take 0 also, no problem. I am choosing 1. So, 1 plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. By simplification, y is equal to, I get 4. The point is 1 comma 4. And I have to take x is equal to 3. Then 3 plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So, y is equal to 2. The point will be 3 comma 2. After getting this, we have to draw a box. There you have to write x, y. This is 1 comma 4 and this is 3 comma 2. We will draw the graph for this 1 4 3 2. 1 4 on x axis 1. From here you have to look at y axis, and so wherever you get 4, there you have to stop. Here I got 4, that is why I have stopped here. And the next one, that is 3 2. So, on x axis take 3, and from here you have to look at y axis, and this is the point. Join these two and produce on the either side, and this is x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. And we will take one more line, that is, this is the first line and this is the second line. 2x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. Here I have to take x is equal to 1 again. So, it will become 2 into 1 plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. So, 2y is equal to 4. 2 into 1 2 minus 6, it becomes minus 4. When it comes to this side, it will become 4. Y is equal to 4 by 2. So, y is equal to 2. The point is 1 comma 2. And take one more point. Now, I would like to take y is equal to 1. Then 2x plus 2 into 1 minus 6 is equal to 0. 2x, the simplification is minus 4 is equal to 0. So, directly I will write x is equal to 4 by 2. So, x is equal to 2. So, first x, so 2 comma 1, then draw the graph x y, and this is 1 2, this is 2 1. So, there write the points 1 2, this is 1 2 and 2 1, this is 2 1. Join these two and produce produce. So this equation is 2x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. Yes, here what happened? The two lines are parallel. Here also we have to compare these equations with the general equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here also find the same a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 and find c1 by c2. a1 by a2, a1 is here it is, sorry, a1 is this one, the coefficient of x, that is 1. So 1 by a2, a2 is 2 and b1 by b2, b2 is plus 1 by b2 is plus 2, both are equal. So if we get a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are equal, then we have to find c1 by c2. c1 is minus 5 by c2 is minus 6. Just observe here what happened. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and this value is not equal to c1 by c2. Here what happened? By drawing these two lines, we got the two lines are parallel. If two lines are parallel, then the ratio has become a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2. When this condition occurs, then we can say that without drawing the graph, the two lines are parallel. This is the condition. And we will take one more line and we will draw the graph. Let us go through example 3. Here I would like to take the previous equation again, that is x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. The same equation, I am not changing this one, and I would like to take one more equation, that is 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. So we have to draw the graphs for these two lines, and for the first line we can find the points easily and we get the same equation. So now I am finding only for the second equation, that is 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. Here I will take x is equal to 3, then 2 into 3 plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. So 2y is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 by 2. So y is equal to 2. The point will become 3 comma 2. Next I would like to take y is equal to 3, then 2x plus 2 into 3 minus 10 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to, this is 6 minus 10 minus 4, it comes to here 4, x is equal to 4 by 2. So x is equal to 2. The point will become 2 comma 3. Yes, after getting these 2 points, we have to draw a box like this and write x, y, this is 3, this is 2, this is 2, this is 3. So 3 comma 2, where we get on x axis standard 3 and move in the upward or downward direction. So as the y coordinate is positive, that is why we have to move to the upward direction. So just move here, and by when we are moving, you have to look at y axis. From here we are looking at y axis, and when we go here, yes, here we got 2. So this is the point which we have to find, that is 3 comma 2. Next one is 2 comma 3 at x axis, just stand at 2 and move in the upward direction. So we got 3 here. So this is 2 comma 3, join these 2 points, yes, and produce. Here also we have to produce. Now this equation will become 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. Here what happened? Just think over it, and when we get 2 lines, we have to find the ratios c1 by c2. This is compulsory. a1 by a2, the a coefficient is 1 and the x coefficient is 1, here it is 2, 1 by 2, and b1 by b2. So this is plus 1 by b2 is also plus 2, and we got these two equal. That is why definitely we have to find c1 by c2. c1 is minus 1 minus 5 by c2 is minus 10. So by simplification we get 1 by 2. Here a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 all are equal. When this ratio equal, then we got the two lines are not parallel, not intersecting, but what are they? They are coinciding with each other. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the two lines are coinciding with each other. So that these two lines are called coincident lines. Here we got three cases. First one intersecting, second one parallel, and third one coincident lines. Here we will integrate all these conditions and we will write in a box. First one, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Here these two are not equal, so we should not bother about c1 by c2. So if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then the two lines are intersecting. And we have one more quality, that is when a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then the two lines are called consistent lines. If this condition occurs, then we can say that two lines are consistent lines. Suppose a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then these two lines are called coincident lines, and these two lines are called consistent lines. And a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, then the two lines are called parallel lines. In this case, the lines are called inconsistent lines. By observing this table and these examples, you have to finish exercise 4.1. This is the homework for you. Thank you.